Hello, my name's Nigel. Today we're cooking with this Tesco's finest crackling pork loin joint. The pork is outdoor bred and hand scored for that extra crispiness. The crackling just bursts in your mouth. It's important that we keep the skin nice and dry for that extra crispy crackling. So we'll do this by using a kitchen towel and pressing down on it. And then we're going to sprinkle some sea salt over the top of it. After 30 minutes, the salt's drawn out a lot of the moisture. We take a kitchen towel and we're going to rub the salt off. Now place the pork into a roasting tin and then we're going to slam this in the oven. While the pork's in the oven cooking away, time to prep your veg. Choose ginger. The best way I find to peel ginger is to take a spoon and just scrape off the skin. So we're going to cut some slices and then we're going to cut these slices and then into little matchsticks. So next we're going to prepare the lemongrass. First we're going to top and tail it. And then we're going to peel off those fibrous outer layers. We're going to cut, slightly slice it. There we are. Beautiful. So next I'm going to prepare chilli. I like a bit of heat. Chop off the ends, slide the knife down the middle. The best way to de-seed is by using a spoon. Scrape out the seeds and then finely slice. There we are. So it's now time to make the dressing. We add some corn flour, followed by some soy sauce. Gently whisk this up till all the corn flour has been absorbed. We're then going to add the lemongrass, the ginger, fish sauce, some honey. Get that right in. Make sure everything's combined. And now we're going to leave that to simmer for about 10 minutes. So now it has reduced and thickened, we're going to add coriander stalks and the sliced chilli. Make sure it's all nicely combined. So now we're going to prepare the noodles. Add some boiling water to them, just pat them down to make sure that they're all submerged. So for the salad, we need some ribbons. Get yourself a peeler, just simply peel away, turn in the carrot as you go. We repeat that with a cucumber, but we don't want to go too deep because we don't want the seeds. They'll add too much moisture. Now it's time to build the salad. So we're starting off with our noodles. We're going to add our herbs in, our sesame oil, and edamame beans. And then we're going to add our ribbons of carrot and the cucumber. We're just going to toss that together. And there we have it, all ready for the lovely pork and the crispy crackling. So once we're out of the oven, we're going to set this pork aside, let it rest for 10 minutes. So now the meat's rested, we're going to pull away this lovely crispy crackling. Little shards of beautiful crispy crackling. Now it's time to carve up the meat. Look at that. You can see how juicy and tender it is. It looks absolutely stunning. And it's going to taste twice as good. Oh, I can't wait to get into this. The smell of this is unbelievable. There it is. Beautiful. Crispy pork noodles, absolutely delicious.